So let's say you want to do it even simpler than this. So you take the kitchen machine, you get an old bottle, you clean it very well, especially with the natural cider. And then when you fill it up, you take a glove, put it on top, it will expand as well. Poke a little air hole in the glove. And then it will ferment. After a week or two, you switch it over to a different bottle. And you can leave it fermenting also for a month then. Or just bottle it directly. Take a thick bottle because it can build up pressure in there. And to be completely safe, if you have a bottle, you can like save something like from an old champagne bottle, or what's in this case. Okay. Just save the cap, put it on, so it's secure. Because if you don't do that and it still works a bit in the bottle, it can explode or push out the cork. What is this? Alcohol free. Oh God.